Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and join communities on X. But more importantly, I'll show you how to actually use these communities to grow your audience, increase engagement, and get your content seen by more people. Because here's the reality: most people join communities, scroll for a bit, maybe drop a post, and then nothing happens. No likes, no replies, no growth, no engagement. So if that's been happening to you, don't worry, you're just missing a few key things. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find the right communities, how to join them, and how to post in a way that actually gets people to engage with you. Let's get started. So step one, accessing communities on X. So first, go ahead and open your X account. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. That will open up a menu. From there, look for the option that says Communities and tap on it. Now you're inside the Community section. Think of communities as smaller groups inside X where people gather around specific interests. So instead of posting to everyone and hoping the algorithm pushes your content, you're posting directly to people who already care about your topic. Step two, finding the right communities. So at the top, you'll see a list of recommended communities. Now, these are based on your activity, what you like, what you watch, and who you follow. You can scroll through these and explore different topics. But if you want something specific, tap on the search or explore option. So let's say you're into crypto, so just type crypto and you'll see multiple communities related to it. If you're into gaming, you can type something like Axie and you'll find gaming communities. If you're into sports, try something like Liverpool and you'll see football related communities. So, whatever your niche is, there's a community for it. Step 3 is joining a community. Once you find a community that fits your interest, tap on it. Now you'll see a join button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, some communities will let you join instantly, while others may require approval from admins or moderators. You might also see rules or guidelines before joining. Take a few seconds to read them. It helps you understand what kind of content is allowed and avoids getting removed later. Now, once you're ready, tap agree and join. After joining, go back to the communities tab. So you'll now see a list of all the communities you're part of. Tap on any of them and you'll enter their main feed. Now, this is where people post content, ask questions, share opinions, and interact with each other. So take a moment here to scroll and observe. Look at what kind of posts are getting engagement and look at how people are writing. So this will give you a big advantage before you even make your first post. Now, step 5 is posting a community. So let's talk about posting. Depending on the community, you may or may not be able to post right away. Some communities allow everyone to post, others only allow admins or moderators. If posting is enabled, you'll see a text area where you can create a post, just like a normal post on X. So go ahead and type something out and get ready to share. Step 6, how posts actually work. So here's something important that most people don't realize. When you post inside a community, your post is visible to people in that community. Your followers can also see it, and sometimes it can even reach a wider audience on X. So you're not just posting in a small group, you're actually increasing your chances of getting discovered. Also, depending on the community, there may be limits on who can reply. Sometimes only community members can comment, and sometimes it's open to everyone. Step 7, how to post for engagement and growth. Now, this is the most important part of this video because posting alone is not enough. If you want to grow, you need to post in a way that gets people to interact with you. So, first, post for interaction, not just information. Most people post things like Bitcoin is going up today. That doesn't invite engagement. Instead, turn it into something interactive, like Bitcoin's popping up again. Are you buying, holding, or waiting for a dip? Now people have a reason to respond, right? Second, use proven content types. There are three types of posts that consistently get engagement. So, first is opinion posts. So, it share a strong take. Example, hot take. Most people fail in crypto because they follow hype instead of strategy. Next is question posts. So, ask simple questions like, what's one mistake you made when you first started? And next is value posts. So, share quick tips like, engage with others before posting. It boosts your visibility fast. So rotate these and you'll never run out of ideas again. Third is focus on your first line. If your first line is boring, nobody reads the rest. Avoid starting with, today I want to talk about. So instead, try something like, nobody talks about this, but, or quick question for everyone here. That's what grabs attention. Fourth, engage before and after posting. Now, before you post, like a few posts, reply to a few people, and after you post, reply to every comment and ask follow up questions. So, this makes you more visible and signals activity. And finally, avoid these mistakes. Don't spam links, don't copy paste the same content everywhere, and don't post and disappear. That's the fastest way to get ignored. And that's how you can find, join, and actually grow using communities on X. If you use this the right way, communities can become one of the easiest ways to build engagement and connect with the right audience. So start joining a few communities today, engage with people, and focus on creating posts that spark conversations. Because at the end of the day, growth comes from interaction, not just posting. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.
Introducing Engagey. Grow from invisible to unstoppable. Explode your social media reach and generate more business online with the ultimate AI cheat code. Breakthrough AI powered Chrome extension for Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and the rest. Dominate any niche on the social media with superior AI driven engagement. This is what consistent engagement got us on X and LinkedIn. Again, designed for use on Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Threads, and it's compatible with YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, Pinterest, Discord, Quora, Tumblr. One-click engagement on any social website. Power your growth with Engagey. Get increased visibility for your content. Engagey helps you to tap into the algo. The algorithm favors those who engage. Engagey builds your subscriber base, build a community that helps you thrive. Engagey creates a powerful network. Create authentic engagement with just one click. Promote your products and services organically. Auto-create custom and unique replies that are tailored to the post. Engage in any language. Multi-AI maximize originality and uniqueness. Engagey keeps your account safe. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Engagey now. Just go to getengagey.in.